Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for February and it's Lookfantastic. A little sneak peek of all the products. Lookfantastic costs £15 a month and inside you'll receive 6 beauty items, has a minimum value of £50 and you can opt for a monthly rolling subscription or a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. I do have a refer a friend code and that is Diaryofabeautygeek and that will entitle you to receive your first box for £12. You'll find all links and codes down below in my description, so you're welcome to look down there. Plus you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. So starting off, we've got Avant. This is a blue volcanic stone purifying and antioxidizing cleansing gel. And there is 50 mils there. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this. We do see a lot of Avant in different beauty boxes. Tried moisturizers, primers, but I don't think I've tried this one. Every time I see a blue product like this, I always think it smells marine-like, but I don't think it does. No, it's fragrance free. It contains cocoa, hydrolyzed walnut, gaultheria, glycerin, and tocopherol for age radiance. So you've got a cleansing gel there from Avant. Then we've got something for your hair. This is Christoph Robin hydrating cream scrub with aloe vera, and it's 40 mils there, like a thick paste. Smells absolutely gorgeous. It's a gentle pre-wash exfoliating treatment. You apply it onto dry scalp, massage it in, leave on for 5-10 minutes, and then you lather and rinse and move on to your shampoo and conditioner. Got hydrating cream scrub. Then we've got Ritual of Sakura, and this is a whipped body cream, rice milk and cherry blossom. This is a beauty box favourite, and there's 70 mils here. Gorgeous cream, smells amazing. Put a little bit on my hand. It's a hydrating and nourishing cream. It just smells so lovely. This is one of my favourite ranges from Rituals. Yeah, the scent is quite strong, but it's beautiful. Yeah, leaves your hand feeling nice and soft. It's got body cream by Rituals. Then we got Pixie Skin Treats, Detoxify, Caffeine and Cucumber, Depuffing Eye Patches. So there's 2 little patches there, single use. And all the instructions are on the back there. Infuse with cucumber and gold to help soothe, nourish and fortify. Hyaluronic acid and caffeine soothes and depuffs, aiding in reducing the appearance of dark circles. Infuse a delicate eye area with hydration. We've got a duo. We've got a puff and we've got some powder. This is the Beauty Crop Vitamin Bake. It's a loose powder, loose setting powder. And there's 8 grams there. Okay, it looks kind of yellow, doesn't it? Or unless it's the light in here isn't great because I'm filming at night. It's translucent, 0.5. And that's all it says. So, oh, look, you've got a little puff in there as well. Handy. I hate opening these, they're quite hard. Let's have a go. Oh, I finally did it. Used tweezers to open it. There, let's try some on my hand. Ooh, going everywhere. But it feels really nice. Yeah, what does it say? Vitamin Bake. And let's open this then. So this is the Spectrum Velvet Powder Puff. And that's what that one looks like. I really like this one. I have got a few of these. I'm not sure if they are by Spectrum, but little black triangles like that. They're really handy for going under the eye, getting in by the nose, around the mouth, all those areas, you know? No, I really like them. I always use puffs. Tap away excess makeup, to pat in powder, especially around my T-zone area. I don't like my T-zone to really glow. I like the glow to be on the outer side there. So yeah, I got another one now. They are cute, they're handy, and I will use them. But we've also got one of these as well, in with a powder. Maybe Lookfantastic weren't aware that there was a powder puff already in there. But there you go, those are all the products inside the February Lookfantastic beauty box. If you want to subscribe for this box, then you're going to be able to do so from the 1st of February onwards. So we've got the Beauty Crop Vitamin Bake Loose Setting Powder and Translucent. We've got Spectrum Velvet Powder Puff. We've got Detoxify Eye Gels by Pixie. Ritual of Sakura Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom Whipped Body Cream. We've got Avant Blue Volcanic Stone, can't remember what else, Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. And lastly, for your hair, Christoph Robin Hydrating Cream Scrub. Those are all the items. Let me know what you think. If you're a subscriber to Look Fantastic, are you looking forward to receiving your box? Or you're not a subscriber and you fancy subscribing? I'd love to hear what you think as always, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.